Okay, here's the next thing, some story problems. Tickets to a concert cost $18 a piece. There's also a one-time order charge. Person who buys 3 tickets pays $57, which includes the order charge. If you have $150 to spend on tickets for your extended family, how many tickets can you purchase? So I'm finding the number of tickets. So there's only going to be 2 units, so tickets and dollars are my 2 units. Now, this is not a direct variation problem. Here's why it's not. Because I would have X as tickets and Y as money, and the price per ticket. If you buy 1 ticket, how much that costs? That costs $18. Okay, here's why. This is tickets, and this is money. If we didn't buy any tickets, we still had to pay the one-time order charge, so there's an amount that goes here. So I need to use my MX line. It's not a DV problem. There's 2 units. And we know the M is 18. But I don't know what we started at. I don't know the beginning amount. Okay? I have no clue what that is. When I don't know this, because it says $18, but I don't have anything before it, but I know something goes there because it's not direct variation, I need to use Y equals M times X plus B. Now, I want you to write the word combination or combo. I want you to find a combo of tickets and money. Well, 3 tickets was $57, so I'm going to use 3 tickets and $57. That's important here. Okay, the M is at 18 here. And then the Y. Well, it says Y is money. Which one of these two is money? $57, okay, times 3. So 18 times 3 is 54. And then we have positive 54, so I need to minus him. 57 minus 4 is 3. So I've got 3. So my equation is 3 plus 18x equals y. So let's take the last number, the 150. That's got to go into the equation. What's dollars, x or y? Dollars is y, okay? So we need to replace y with 150. And then we'll box him up. We need to minus 3. So you're going to have 18 times x equals 147, then divide by 18. And 147 divided by 18 is about 8.1, so that means I can only afford 8 tickets. Next up. A golf membership costs $33 per month after you pay a one-time membership cost. You pay $228 for 6 months. This includes a membership cost. How much will 12 months cost? We're finding cost down here. So I have cost, and then I have months. And none of these are DV. Okay, there's always going to be something you had to pay. Okay, before you paid the month per month. So per dollars per month. If I don't write DV up there, there's got to be something on that line. So the dollars for 1 month, I have to pay $33. So x comma y, mx, y. And we know our m is 33. Months start at 0, but there's a one-time membership cost, so I use y equals m times x plus b. And when I'm doing a story problem, I want to write combo, okay? So the combo for months and money is the 228 and the 6. So $228 and 6 months. So get rid of those three things. And we know that M is the 33. Okay. Y. Y is dollars. We're going to use the 228 for Y times, and then the X is months, so that's 6. So 228, and then 33 times 6 is 198 plus B. Okay. Now the 198 is positive, so we need to subtract that. Okay, so 228 minus 198 is 30, okay? Okay, so now I can write my full equation. We got 30 plus 33x equals y. Now the last number is 12 months. Now, y is dollars, so I don't want to put that in for y. I want to put that in for x, because x is months, okay? So 30 plus 33 times 12 equals y. And when I'm solving for y, I can just plug that in the calculator. 30 plus 33 times 12, 426. So $426 is the cost. Next, your gym membership costs $40 per month after you pay an initial membership fee. That's your beginning amount, but you don't know it, so it can't be a direct variation because the Y does not start at 0, even though you don't know where it started at. You paid a total of $190 after 6 months. How much will 10 months cost? So I'm finding the cost. So dollars and months is our units, and X is months. Y is dollars, so per, dollars per month. Okay, how much does 1 month cost? $40. Okay. So my M is $40. I don't know how many times we paid the 40, so 40x. Okay. Okay, but I know something is there. I just don't know what. So y equals M times X plus B. Okay, so I need a combo. So my combo for that is going to be the 190 and the 6. They got to go together. $190 and 6 months. Okay. So Y is money. So I'm going to put the 190 for Y. M is 40 times 6. Okay. By the way, I screwed this up. Instead of 190, we need this to be 290. Just it's 290, otherwise it's going to also be all screwed up. So I got 290. 40 times X is 240 plus B. So minus 240, minus 240. So 50 equals B. 50, then I paid $40 every month, X. So I paid $50 plus $40 every month. Don't know how many times I paid that, so X, and then equals Y. Okay, 10 months is the number that goes into the equation. Now, what's months, X or Y? It's X, goes in for X. If it goes in for X, parenthesize the X. If it would go in for Y, scribble the Y out. Okay, so 50 plus 40 times 10 equals Y. 50 plus 40 times 10, I got 450. Okay, keep going here. Okay, I got 2 more left. You have a gift card to a bagel shop. All bagels cost the same amount. After buying 4 bagels, you have $20 left on the gift card. After buying 8 bagels, you have $15 left on the gift card. How many bagels can you buy before $0 is left on the gift card? So I'm finding bagels. Okay, so the units are bagels and money. This is not a DV problem. Okay, so that's X, that's Y. Dollars per bagel. Did it say how much one bagel would be? How much money? Never said that. And you can't just say screw it, and the reason why is because it's not a DV, okay? It's not a DV, don't write this, but it's not a DV because if I have 0 bagels, there's going to be money on my gift card, so that doesn't start at 0. So we need this, okay? I need to find what goes there, a number. Well, I'm going to use the Y minus Y and X minus X. That finds what the price per bagel is. So Y is dollars. By the way, you got to put the right stuff in the right place. Y is dollars, so you got to put the dollars on top. Not 0 either. That's the last number. I'm going to actually circle that because I don't want to put that anywhere but down here. So what are the two money amounts? We got $20 and $15. 20 minus 15. Now, how many bagels in this story problem go with the $20? Well, it's 4. How many bagels go with $15? That's 8. Okay, so that's going to be 5, and that's negative 4. So 5 divided by negative 4 is negative $1.25. Now the reason why that's happening, it's going down because what happens to money on your gift card? It goes down. The balance does. Okay, so X comma Y, MXY, and we know that M is a negative $1.25. Okay, it's going down by $1.25X. Now, the money starts somewhere. If it started at 0, you'd have a direct variation, which means you can use ratios, but the money does not start at 0, as we showed up here. There's something that goes here. So that's Y equals M times X plus B. Get rid of we need a combo, okay? The combo. I need a money and bagels combo. It's got to be the two different units. I could go with 4 and 20. 4 bagels and $20. Okay. So I cross those 3 things out. Now the Y. Y is dollars, so I got to put 20 in for Y. M is the negative 1.25. And then the X is your bagels, which is 4. So I drop the equals, and I have 20. So I take negative $1.25 times 4 is negative 5 plus B. Okay, so I need to add 5 and add 5, and that gives me my beginning amount, which is 25. So $25. Okay. So my equation is 25, and then I'm going down by $1.25. I don't know how many times, so I put X equals Y. Now $0 is the number that goes into the equation. Okay, it's $0. Now is dollars bagels or money? Dollars is Y. Okay, so we got to get rid of that and put 0. So I box him up. I need to minus 25. 0 take away 25 is negative 25. And over here you got negative 1.25x. Then you divide and divide. That's 20, so x equals 20. So I can buy 20 bagels with the full gift card. Next problem. At a golf course, members purchase a 1-year membership. So this is not DV. None of these problems are direct variation, okay? They also pay, that means you cannot use the two fractions, okay? Won't work. they also have to pay a fee for each round of golf they play. One golfer paid $125 for 5 rounds. Another paid $170 after 8 rounds. These both include the membership cost. Find the cost of 15 rounds. So cost, okay? It's not a DV, so we are going to use the line, okay? So I've got money, and when I look at this, it's rounds. So I'd have X be what I'm paying for, and then Y is always your money. So per, dollars per round. And the dollars per round, I don't know, but I'm going to need to know it because we need that line. So when I don't know that, Y minus Y divided by X minus X is what I'm going to use, okay? So since Y stands for dollars, we're going to use the 170 and the 125. 171. You got to put those on top. You got to know what the letter stands for. X stands for rounds. So you're going to have 8 because that's how many rounds were with the 170. And then 5. So that's going to be 45 divided by 3, and that's 15. $15 per round, okay? Now, since I didn't even know it was $15 per round, obviously I'm not going to know the number that goes here, but there is one. Because there's a membership. Y equals M times X plus B. Okay, and on a story problem, we need a combo of dollars and rounds. Well, we can pick 125 and 5. You can't pick 15. 15 goes down here. That goes into the equation. So I can go 125 and 5. Okay. $125 and 5 rounds. So Y, what does Y stand for? It stands for money. So we put 125, and the M is the 15. Then the X is the 5. So 125, 15 times 5 is 75 plus Mr. B here. 75 is positive, so I subtract him. 125 minus 75 is 50. Okay, so the equation tells a story. I paid $50 membership plus $15 every round, but I don't know how many rounds, so X equals Y. Pen's dying here, okay? Now the 15, it's 15 rounds, okay? So what letter should that go in for? It should go in for X, okay? So 50 plus 15, and then 15 equals Y. When I'm solving for Y, easy, just plug it in. I don't need the box or anything like that. That gives me $275. Okay, that's really all I have to say on that today. Now, this problem, they tell you the cost per day. So you're going to know that that's 24 right here. But you will have to use Y equals M times X plus B to find the beginning. And then 30 days would go in for X at the end. Neither one of these are direct variations. Now on this one, miles and hours are units, and I don't even know the miles per hour, so I'm going to have to use Y minus Y divided by X minus X to find the per, and Y equals M times X plus B to find out where we started. And then 0 miles, that's going to go in for Y on that one.